Hey there. Ever feel like your email marketing is just throwing darts in the dark? Let's talk about how to actually connect with potential leads in a way that's smart, ethical, and the most important, effective. Let me give you a real world example. Say you've just set up a newsletter sign up form. Congratulations. But what and what now? So, most people hit a wall right there. Let's go through some important fundamentals. First things. First, forget about just blasting emails to anyone with a pulse. The golden rule, people need to actually show some interest first. Maybe they've had a call with your team or they've signed up for a newsletter. Content is key here. Okay, so they've successfully opted into your newsletter. What next? How do you do an email campaign that doesn't make people want to hit delete? Let's break it down. Well, let's talk about the right times to send because timing is everything. Most experts recommend sending 4 to 10 emails spread over 4 weeks, 4 days to 2 weeks. But here's a top tip. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are your sweet spot days. Mondays, people are drowning in catch-up work. Fridays, they're already mentally checked out. My recommended approach, if you're starting off, start off small. Try 1 or 2 emails per week over 5 weeks, either on a Tuesday or on a Thursday. Consistent, but not overwhelming. Now, moving on to the meat of your email campaigns. What do you actually put in or write in these email campaigns? 3 types of content that actually get people to pay attention. The first up is educational content. And I'm not talking about boring lectures. I mean real valuable insights that solve your audience's problems. Pro tip, 83.6% of customers will choose a brand that teaches them something useful. Next, promotional offers, but not just any offers. Time-sensitive deals that create genuine urgency. Limited time discounts that make people think, wow, I'd be crazy to miss this. So if you're selling goods or services, consider giving first-time users a deal sweetener, like first-time users 25% discount or something like that. People love a bargain. Lastly, case studies and testimonials, real stories from real clients. These aren't just brags, they're proof you can actually deliver. And this, 62.6% marketing executives say the case studies are their top generation tool. The key providing value is every single email. No fluff, no spam, just genuine, helpful content that makes people look forward to your next message. Now, handing it over to Ron, who will go over a live demonstration on putting a sample email together and giving some helpful tips using industry-specific scenarios.
Hey there. Today, we're going to break down the art and science of creating an email marketing campaign that actually converts without coming across as spammy or desperate. Let me introduce you to our business example, Cozy Corner Home Goods, an online store that specializes in unique, artisan-crafted home decor and lifestyle products. We'll talk through a complete email marketing strategy that can be adapted to virtually any business. Understanding the email marketing landscape. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why email marketing matters. In 2024, email marketing continues to be one of the most effective digital marketing channels, with an average return on investment, or ROI, $36 for every $1 spent. 4 billion daily email users worldwide, and 60% of consumers prefer to be contacted by brands via email. But here's the catch. Not all email marketing is created equal. The days of mouse blasting generic emails are long gone. The foundation, building a quality email list. Step 1. Ethical list building. For Cozy Corner Home Goods, we'll focus on genuine consent-based list building. For example, set up a website form with clear value propositions. Think of this like making a friendly invitation. Instead of just saying, subscribe to our newsletter, you want to explain exactly what that person is in for. For example, want to transform your home with insider design secrets? Join our community and get weekly tips that make decorating easy and fun. No design degree required. The key is to show people why they should care. It's not just about collecting an email, it's about promising something valuable. Maybe you offer exclusive design insights. First, access to new collections, special member-only content, and simplified decorating advice. 2. Use a pop-up offering the discount. Imagine walking into a store and someone immediately offers you a discount just by giving you their contact info. That's what it's all about. When someone visits your website, a friendly pop-up appears. Welcome! Get 50% off your first order. Just drop your email and save instantly. Now, this works because people love immediate discounts. It feels like a fair trade. Their email for real savings. The offer is straightforward and instant, and it removes the friction of signing up. 3. Social media lead magnets. Think of these as free gifts that showcase your expertise. On platforms like Instagram or Facebook, you might download our free Small Space Big Style guide. Get our seasonal decorating cheat sheet, or unlock 10 designer tricks for making any room look amazing. These aren't just random downloads. They're valuable bite-sized resources that demonstrate your knowledge, give people a taste of what you offer, make sharing an email feel worthwhile, and build trust before any sale happens. 4. In-store email collection. For physical stores, it's all about creating a friendly, low-pressure way to capture emails. Instead of pushy sales tactics, you might have a tablet at checkout with a simple sign-up. Offer a physical punch card or loyalty program that requires an email. Create an in-store raffle or contest that needs an email to enter. And also train staff to casually mention exclusive online content. The core philosophy: make sharing an email feel like getting something valuable, not like being added to a spam list. Always be transparent, always provide clear value, and make the process feel like a win for the customer. And here's a pro tip: quality trumps quantity. 1,000 engaged subscribers are more valuable than 10,000 disinterested contacts. Segmentation, the secret sauce of effective email marketing. Let's break down how we'll segment Cozy Corner's email list. 1. New subscribers. 2. Previous purchasers. 3. Seasonal shoppers. 4. Design enthusiasts. 5. Budget-conscious buyers. And 6. High-value customers. Each segment gets a tailored approach. For example, new subscribers receive a welcome series. Previous purchasers get personalized recommendations. Seasonal shoppers receive themed collections. And design enthusiasts get in-depth content. Budget-conscious buyers receive special deals. And high-value customers get exclusive previews. Now let's talk about crafting the perfect email sequence. Let's start off with a welcome series. Here's an email that welcomes the user and introduces the brand. Hello there. We're thrilled you discovered Cozy Corner, more than just a home goods store. We're a community of design lovers who believe your space tells your story. As a special welcome, here's 50% off your first purchase. Use code WELCOMEHOME at checkout. Now here's another email about design inspiration. Hi there. Let's talk design. Struggling to refresh your space? Our design experts have curated the top 5 trends that will completely transform your home this season. Sustainable minimalism, biophical design elements, vintage modern fusion, textural landscapes, and color psychology and decor. And then you end off with a call to action that links to the guide. Now let's talk about content strategy using the 80-20 rule. 80% value and 20% promotional materials. At Cozy Corner, we follow a carefully crafted content strategy that puts our customers first. The majority of their emails are about 80% focused on providing genuine value and building a relationship with their audience. This means they're just not trying to sell something, but actually help their customers improve their home design and lifestyle. Their value-driven content includes detailed design tips that anyone can use, comprehensive home style guides that break down complex decorating concepts into easy-to-understand advice, in-depth trend analysis that help customers stay ahead of the curve, and inspiring customer success stories that showcase real-life transformations. These emails are packed with insights, practical advice, and creative ideas that their subscribers will actually look forward to reading. And the remaining 20% of their email content is reserved for promotional materials. This can include carefully curated limited time offers that provide real value, exciting launches of new collections that their design community will be thrilled about, and exclusive discounts for their loyal members. By keeping promotional content to a minimum, they ensure that their emails remain a welcome sight to their subscribers' inbox, rather than something they'll delete or unsubscribe from. This approach strikes a really good balance between providing valuable information and occasional thoughtful promotional content. It's about building a relationship, not just making a sale. Okay, Now let's talk about advanced email marketing techniques. First of all, trigger emails. Trigger emails are like having a super smart assistant who knows exactly when to reach out to your customers. Imagine someone leaves their items in their shopping cart without completing the purchase. This is like a gentle reminder to them to help them finish what they started. After a customer makes a purchase, then follow up with a thank you message and additional helpful information. You should also consider celebrating customers' birthdays with special offers that make them feel really special. For subscribers who haven't engaged in a while, create a thoughtful re-engagement campaign to reignite their interest in your brand. Alright, next up is A/B testing. Think of A/B testing as a scientific approach to email marketing, where you're constantly experimenting to understand what resonates most with your audience. This means creating multiple versions of an email to test different elements. Experiment with different subject lines to see which one gets more opens. Test different send times to find out when subscribers are most likely to read. Refine your email design for maximum appeal. Optimize call to action placements to improve click-through rates. And play with the content length to find a sweet spot that keeps readers engaged. Alright, next is personalization strategies. Personalization is about making each customer feel like we're speaking directly to them. Use advanced techniques to create truly tailored experiences. Emails that feature dynamic content that changes based on customers' past purchase, ensuring they see products and information most relevant to their interests. Consider generating personalized product recommendations that feel like advice from a knowledgeable friend. Alright, moving on to best practices. When you approach email marketing, do it with respect and transparency. Every single email should include a clear and easy to find unsubscribe option. You should be completely open about how you use customer data, building trust with your audience. Your commitment is to provide genuine value in every email that you send. And it's also important to regularly clean and update your email list to ensure that you're only reaching engaged and interested subscribers. The core of your email marketing philosophy should be simple. Treat every subscriber like a valued friend. It's about building relationships, not just pushing sales. All right, now moving on to our final thoughts and some suggested action steps. Email marketing isn't about selling, it's about building relationships. Focus on providing genuine value, understanding your audience, continuously learning and adapting, and using storytelling through your brand. And here are some recommended next action. 1. Audit your current email strategy. 2. Clean your email list. 3. Develop a comprehensive content plan. 4. Implement segmentation. 5. Start small, test, and iterate. Remember, great email marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be consistent, and always prioritize your audience's needs. Want more deep dives into digital marketing strategies? Hit the subscribe and like button and give us a comment with what you want to learn next. Until next time, keep marketing smart.